go, let's go. Let's go. Come on. Hope my water will not upside down. Upside down on the river bank. Snow bank. Ayan. Come on. Slowpoke. Slowpoke eye. You walk slow. Oh, you got still lots of food. Okay, I change your water. Ayan, happy to see the beautiful sunshine today. Happy Monday, Canada. Good morning, Philippines. Happy Tuesday. Yan, the snow even plus 5 degrees. The snow makapal pa rin. Still thick, hair everywhere. Right, Gosling? May palangga. Oh, they're happy. The weather is beautiful of plus 5 degrees. Thanks for watching. Love and ski. Ang kapal pa rin ng snow sa roof ng kanilang payag in the barn. Ayan. See? Kung gaano kakapal yan. Ganon kakapal ang snow. Right, Gosling, Gosling? Happy to see me? Huh? Thank you guys. Thanks for watching. Beautiful skies with the beautiful clouds in the sky. Thank you. Thank you. Gracias.